Hey, I'm Adam, your math coach. Let's solve this SAT question. So here we have a series. For a particular number a, the first term in the sequence above is equal to a, and each term thereafter is 7 greater than the previous term. What is the value of the 16th term in the sequence? If you want to give this problem a try, pause the video and let's see how we can solve this. So here we have this sequence of numbers. First term is a. That's straightforward. A. That's not an a. Let me write this way. First term is a. Every term thereafter is 7 greater than the previous term. So what do we know? This 2a minus 1 is 7 greater than a. So a plus 7 would be equal to 2a minus 1. So now we have an equation. Subtract a, it will be only a. Add 1, it will be 8. So a would be 8. Now we can check if our answer is correct. So first term a is 8. Second term 2a. 2 times 8 is 16. Minus 1 is 15. That's indeed 7 greater. We can do another one. 3 times 8 is 24. Minus 2 is 22. That's indeed 7 greater than 15. So we know that a is 8. The question is, what is the value of the 16th term? Well, we can calculate this by using the information that each term is 7 greater than the one before. So the first term is 8. That's the first. And if we add 7 each time, then we got the next. So if we want to know that what is, let's say, the third term, we can have that 8 is the first term, and we add 2 times 7. So 8 plus 2 times 7, 8 plus 14 will be 24. This works. So the nth term of the sequence would be 8 plus 7n, because after the first term, every term is 7 greater. Now we can see that the 16th term will be 8 plus, well, 8 is the first term, so sorry for that. So 8 is the first term. We have 15 other terms. That is, or each one 7 greater. So this would be our answer, which is 15 times 7 is 70, 105 plus 8 is 113. And that's our final answer. Okay, so let's have a look at a similar one. You can solve this using the same method. Give it a try. So for a particular number b, the first term in the sequence is equal to b. That's b. And each term thereafter is 5 greater than the previous term. So this term will be 5 greater than b. So this term, 2b plus 1, would be equal to b plus 5. Now again we have an equation. Subtract b, that would be b here. Okay, that's a b, let's say. Subtract this one, that would be 5 minus 1 is 4. B equals 4. Okay, what's the question? What is the value of the 20th term in the sequence? So we know that the first term is 4, and each term thereafter 5 times greater. So we add 5 times the number of other terms. First term is 4, so we have 19 other terms. Then we just solve this. 5 times 19, that's 95 plus 4, that's 99. And that's our final answer. Do you manage to solve them? Tell me in the comment section. If you want to see more problems like this, check out my other videos. There's already one waiting for you in the description.